Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, this is 1.7 Paramvir Chakra Our Heroes. Yes, this is the lesson which I have uploaded already on our channel, and even I am giving you link in the description box. You can see, so you will get the explanation of this lesson. Okay, and you can share this video with your friends so they will get also help from you to understand this same lesson. What is our question 1? Read the passage and answer the following questions. Read the passage and answer the following question. What is Paramvir Chakra? What is Paramvir Chakra? Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration, awarded for the most conspicuous bravery of some daring or preeminent act of valor of self-sacrifice by our brave soldiers in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in air. Understood? Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration award for the most conspicuous bravery of some daring or preeminent act of valor of self-sacrifice for our brave soldiers in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. What is seen on the sea? Oboes and rivers of the PVC medal. What seen on the oboes and rivers of the PVC medal? On the oboes, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by four. Replicas of Indravarjas on the rivers. The words Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flowers in between them. Explanation they have given. Okay. See. Who designed the PVC medal? Who designed the PVC medal? The Paramvir Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Kanholkar. This Paramvir Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Kanholkar. What makes Indravarja or Thunderbolt invincible? What make Indravarja or Thunderbolt invincible? The Indravarja or Thunderbolt was fashioned from the bones of sage Dahichi, and the supreme sacrifice of the sage makes the weapon invincible. Understood? The Indravarjas or Thunderbolt was fashioned from the bones of the sage Daichi, and the supreme sacrifice of the sage make the weapon invincible. Write the story of sage Daichi's sacrifice in your own words. Many years ago, a demon set out on a mission, stealing all the water in the world. The consequence was very serious. Innocent people suffered and lost their lives. They had no water to quench their thirst. Defeating this demon with an ordinary weapon was not possible. An extraordinary weapon was required. Sage Dahishi, whose bone had extraordinary power, was the only person who could save the people from the clutches of the demon. But how could anyone ask a man for his bones? A noble man, that sage Daichi was, the himself sacrificed his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Read aloud the account of how Flying Affairs Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon sacrificed his life to defend our country, sending them sweets on festive occasions, collecting funds and contributing it towards various initiatives organized by soldiers. Visiting them and organizing cultural programs for them, writing letters to them and expressing our gratitude to them for giving us a sense of security. Yes. Now, find more information about other Paramvir Chakra awards. Prepare a collage using photographs, picture and text matter written in beautiful handwriting. Dear student, this question for you are going to do yourself. Here you are going to make a collage and there you have to write information about Paramvir Chakra who have who were awarded. You can paste there some pictures, you can put there some photographs. Yes or no? Question 5. Find more information about the Indian Armed Force. The Indian Armed Force, the Army, the Navy and the Air Force are the military forces of our country. They are supported by paramilitary organization. Paramilitary support them. Indian Air Force is the air arm of the IAF. The highest rank is Air Marshal. Indian Army is the land-based branch commanded by a 4-star general or the Chief of Army Staff. Indian Navy is the naval branch. The Chief of Naval Staff is a 4-star officer in the rank of Admiral. Yes. Here we have finished question 5, dear student, and here the exercise is with you. You can learn this, you can write it. Thank you.